Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. We have Johnny Orlando here with a song called Vegas. Alright, so it's a very nice song with very easy chords. If you use a capo here on the first fret, so let's do that. And we have these four chords, G, C, E minor, and the D. So let's go over the chords. It will be like that for the entire song, so very easy. Let's start with the G here. That is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We have C next. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. E minor, so that will be open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. And then we have this variation of the D, which will be fifth on A, fourth on D, open G, third B, and open E. So it pretty much looks like a C just over here at this position. All right, so that will be the chord progression through the entire song: G to C to E minor to D. All right, so we will work with just downs, okay? So it will be pretty fast, and you have to get the feeling here for the timing, because it's not straight. If you say like that, I mean it will be a split, a little bit on a different spot there. So what we're gonna aim for is to play downs for G now, starting with 3 downs on G, and then switch to C and play 13 downs on the C. And then from that you go to E minor and play 3 downs again on the E minor, and you go to the D and play 13 downs. So it's a little bit different there. I'm gonna tell you how to do it, but first I'm gonna show you and demonstrate how it's done. So let's go. Right, so that is one round. So you're gonna start with G, 3 downs. So that's easy. So 1, 2, 3, and then comes a switch here on the C. And in my mind, I imagine an extra down on C, just like that. And then I count 4 times, 4 downs for 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. In that way, I'm sure that I'm played 13 downs. And if you practice like that, you will have the feeling for when it's time to change. So 3 downs on G, 1, 2, 3, and then I imagine the 4th down on the C. And then I count from there on 1, 2, 3, 4 for 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you apply the same for the next 2 chords for E minor to D. So you're gonna play 3 downs on E minor, 1, 2, 3, and the 4th down happens on the first D, and then you play 1, 2, 3, 4 for 3 times still on this D. So that will make 1 round. So slowly it will be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so you just speed up the tempo a bit. It will be something like this. And so on. Perhaps that's a little bit fast. I'm not sure there. You have to listen to the song and go and find the right tempo. But that is pretty much how I handle Johnny Orlando's Vegas. So good luck with this one, guys. And if you feel to support me, then please feel free to do that. Click the like button there and have a happy day. See you next time. Play tuned.